welcome to ZPHS school ROMPIVALASA. Today topic is used to or would. What are the used to or would? They are helping verbs. Where do we use used to or would? Used to or would is used to express repeated past actions and past habits which no longer happen or exist now. Now examples. I used to play cricket. That means in the past I played cricket, but I no longer play cricket now. Second examples. I would read newspapers while I was in 6th class. That means in the past I read newspapers while I was in 6th class, but I no longer read newspapers now. Now question is, how to rewrite these sentences using used to or would? First, identify the verb to in main clause in given sentence. Next, round it off. Replace it with used to plus V1 or would plus V1. So answer is ready. Now examples. First example. I went to temple every Sunday in my childhood. Here, verb to in main clause is went. Round it off. Replace it with used to plus go or would plus go. So answer is, I used to go to temple every Sunday in my childhood, or I would go to temple every Sunday in my childhood. Second example. During summer vacation, we visited our grandparents' village. Here, verb to in main clause is visited. Round it off. Replace it with used to plus visit, would plus visit. So answer is, during summer vacation, we used to visit our grandparents' village, or during summer vacation, we would visit our grandparents' village. Third example. When I studied in this school, I participated in debate competitions. Here, verb to in main clause is participated. Round it off. Replace it with used to plus participate or would plus participate. So answer is, when I studied in this school, I used to participate in debate competitions, or when I studied in this school, I would participate in debate competitions. Fourth example. On weekends, he went to the Gandhi Park. Here, verb to in main clause is went. Round it off. Replace it with used to plus go or would plus go. Now answer is, on weekends he used to go to the Gandhi Park, or on weekends he would go to the Gandhi Park. Now question is, are used to and would always interchangeable? No, sometimes interchangeable, sometimes not interchangeable. Then when do we use used to? When do we use would? First situation. For repeated past actions and past habits with time expressions, we use both used to and would. First example. When I was studying in school, I often got more marks in English. Here, time expressions are shown by when I was studying in school, often. So we can use both used to and would. So answer is, when I was studying in school, I used to often get more marks in English. Or when I was studying in school, I would often get more marks in English. Second example. When he was at the university, he went to the beach on weekends. Here, time expressions are shown by when he was at the university on weekends. So, we can use both used to and would. So, answer is, when he was at the university, he used to go to the beach on weekends. Or when he was at the university, he would go to the beach on weekends. But in all other situations, we use only used to. What are those situations? Let us see. First situation. With verbs of states, we use only used to. What are those verbs of states? First one, verbs of senses such as see, hear, taste, smell, feel, etc. Next one, verbs of possession such as have, contain, consist, possesses, belong, etc. Next one, verbs of mind such as think, remember, forget, believe, etc. Next one, be form verbs such as was, were. Next one, verbs of likes or dislikes such as love, hate, like, wish, want, etc. Now examples. First example. I had many stories in my childhood. Here, stative verb is had. That is verb of sense. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, I used to hear many stories in my childhood. Second example. We had many houses when we lived here. Here, stative verb is had. That is verb of possession. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, we used to have many houses when we lived here. Now, example 3. As a child, I believed in ghosts. Here, stative verb is believed. That is verb of mind. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, as a child, I used to believe in ghosts. Fourth example. He was thin when he was in 7th class. Here, stative verb is was. That is verb of be form. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, he used to be thin when he was in 7th class. Fifth example. They loved reading stories when they were in college. Here, stative verb is loved. That is verb of likes or dislikes. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, they used to love reading stories when they were in college. Sixth example. People thought that the earth was flat. Here, stative verb is thought. That is verb of mind. So, we can use only used to. So, answer is, people used to think that the earth was flat. Now, second situation where we can only use used to. Let us see. For past habits or repeated actions without time expression, we use only used to. First example, I helped my mother in her works. Here there is no time expression, so we can use only used to. So answer is, I used to help my mother in her works. Second example, I read newspapers. Here there is no time expression, so we can use only used to. So answer is, I used to read newspapers. Third example, he smoked cigars. Here there is no time expression, so we use only used to. So answer is, he used to smoke cigars. Fourth example, there was a cinema hall on this spot. Here there is no time expression, so we use only used to. So answer is, there used to be a cinema hall on this spot. Now another situation where we can use only used to. Let us see. For continued past situations which are not habits, we can use only used to. First example, we lived in this village when my father worked in this school. Here lived is verb to in main class. It shows continued past situation but not habit, so we can use only used to. So answer is, we used to live in this village when my father worked in this school. Second example, I worked in this office when I was a clerk. Here worked is verb to in main class. It shows continued past situation but not habit, so we can use only used to. So answer is, I used to work in this office when I was a clerk. Now another situation where we can use only used to. Let us see. When we mention the contrast between past and present habits or routines, we use only used to. First example, I drank tea, now I drink coffee. Here we mention the contrast between present and past habit or routine, so we use only used to. So answer is, I used to drink tea, now I drink coffee. Second example, he taught Telugu, now he teaches English. Here we mention the contrast between present and past habit or routine, so we can use only used to. So answer is, he used to teach Telugu, now he teaches English. Now differences between used to and would at a glance. First situation, for repeated past actions and past habits with time expressions, we use both used to and would. But for repeated actions and past habits without time expressions, we use only used to. For stative verbs or states, we use only used to. For continued past situations, we use only used to. For contrast between past and present mentioned, we use only used to. From this table, it is clear that if you have a doubt, better use used to. Thank you.